with indulge of 29,000 feet. Please direct your attention to your cabin crew now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.
Nagbabasa
There
ng
are 8
packet
emergency exits
book.
on board, 2 doors at the front of the cabin, 4
Ay,
overweight
ano pala
exits,
yan?
and 2 doors at the back. Each display marked with red and white signs emergency lights illuminate along the floor leading to all cabin exits. Please
Pocket
take a
book
moment
din
to
siya.
look at this closest to your seat.
Nagsi-pocket book na sila.
Please fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal strip into the buckle, pull on loose and to tighten and to quickly release your seatbelt, lift the metal tab. Life vest is located under your seat. It is reversible and fits over the head. Secure the vest at your
Sorry,
waist.
dyan ako. Okay, basa ka lang
Once
dyan.
outside the aircraft, inflate your life vest by pulling the red tabs down firmly. Mouthpieces are provided for oral inflation. The light bulb illuminates and the battery is immersed in water. This cabin is pressurized. Should there be rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically grab out from its compartment located above you. Immediately grab and pull the mask firmly towards you, ensure that the face release the start of flow of oxygen. Put mask over nose and mouth. Adjust elastic band sideways for snug feet and breathe normally. For further information, please study the safety card found the seat pocket in front of you before take off. Ensure electronic devices, particularly cell phones, are turned off your seat but securely fastened. Seat box in the upright position, window shades open, and your tray table closed. Thank you, wish you an enjoyable flight with us.